So here's a quick demo of the Royal Aristocrat typewriter. And first we're going to look at the rubber roll here just to see if there's any cracks. So let's just go ahead and move that forward. There's no cracks. There's a slight, just a slight dent right on the wheel right there. It's not cut or anything, it's just almost like a scratch. So that's the rubber wheel. It's got nice glass keys on it. And let's just lift up our cover. We do have some ink on the ink roller here. Pretty clean. There is some dust from probably from paper and just old usage inside. It's nice all the way around. And let's go ahead and put some paper in. Stick that in there. So there we go. And let's just type something up. So there's the bell. And let's go ahead and advance it forward. And spacebar. Tab. And spacebar. There's the bell. So that pretty much shows you a little bit kind of what works there. The ink's pretty good on these keys. Keys are working good. They're fairly smooth. They release pretty quick. I haven't noticed any issues there. So that's just a quick review. Please send me a message if you have any questions. Thanks.